Imagine for a second how important the data is for retail e-commerce, for real estate industries, for the marketing agencies, for the data scientists, and for any businesses who want to read the sentiments of their consumers for their product or for their service. Hi, this is Umar, and at Scraping Solution we extract or scrap the data for the companies who are in need of data, and in some time we provide them data which updates in real time and help them take data driven decisions for their business growth without any kind of error, delay or blindness. So let's talk by example for a better understanding. So for example, we are working for an established e-commerce retailer in the UK which has around 3-4 suppliers, and data is coming from their supplier's website to their website, and if anything changes from the supplier website, we have to immediately update the client's website, otherwise the wrong orders will come and client will have to suffer, their profit issue suffer. So we have basically automated, that's how we automate the and help the e-commerce retailers and by establishing a connection, a pay connection between their suppliers, stores and their website. So anything changing at the back end or their supplier's website, it automatically pushes on their stores and their operation goes smoothly without error or without any profit loss. Similarly, we are helping manufacturers who are in the clothing industry and they sell products directly to the consumer and on some marketplace. And what we do, we scrap the reviews of their consumers and help them understand what's happening, which articles are doing good, which are doing bad, which colors are doing good, which are doing bad. By reading these reviews, by reading this analysis, they have tremendously improved their manufacturing process. They have introduced new product lines. So that's how we are working in that data analysis domain. We are also working in the marketing domain. We have worked with numerous marketing agencies where we help them hunt the relevant potential prospects from the industry or for anything they are looking for. We basically provide them fresh leads, scraped from internet, fresh in real time, and that helps them increase their conversion time and successfully launch their products in the market. So Scraping Solution is a known name in scraping industry. We have served around 7,000 clients around the globe, mainly from the UK and USA, and people know us. We have a lot of word of mouth references, and our funnel is quite wide. We are getting leads from we're getting business from our website, from LinkedIn. We have established on the LinkedIn. Then we have great accounts on the freelance marketplaces like Upwork and PPH of Fiverr, and currently we are generating good revenue as well. And if we talk about the web scraping market internationally, so at the moment it's around 1.03 billion with a potential growth of 14% per year, and by 2030 it's going to be touching to $2 billion. So it's a great industry, it's a great niche to work on, and there are a lot of gap exists here which can be filled with great products and great services. Although Scraping Solution is a bootstrap, but it's quite established at the moment with great current age, great referencing, and contacts with some good companies worldwide. And with the help of Bazaar, we will be able to launch some new products and some new services which can sell easily in the market. As we are in the market from 12 years, we know what's happening in this industry, and we can easily trigger the gap in the market and bring in a lot of businesses, not only in the from this industry, but in our country, and we can obviously generate a lot of new jobs. Thank you very much.